Good morning, Sean. A motorcyclist sustained serious head trauma when he rear-ended a pickup truck in Keene on Monday, according to police. Keene police said they responded to Court Street near the Dunkin' Donuts for a reported crash between a pickup truck and a motorcycle. Police said Tucker Wheeler, 24, of Keene, had been driving a pickup truck on South Court Street and had stopped to make a left-hand turn into Stone Arch Village Apartments. Police said Timothy Cates Jr. was traveling south on his motorcycle and failed to stop in time and immediately put down the motorcycle. The motorcycle traveled a short distance before hitting the rear end of Wheeler's truck. Cates, who was being tended to by witnesses when police arrived, was not wearing a helmet and sustained serious head trauma in the collision. Cates was flown by helicopter to Dartmouth Hitchcock Medical Center in Lebanon. The cause remains under investigation by the collision analyst team. Anyone with additional information is asked to contact Keene Police at 603-357-9813. Reporting live here near the crash scene on Court Street near the Dunkin' Donuts, I'm Riley King for WMUR News 9. Sean, back over to you.